Today I'll be showing you how to tie a bow tie as part of our It's Not Friday series. Okay, so how I'm going to be teaching you this is no different than really tying your shoe or tying a bow on a present. So what I typically do though is you do want to start off like most instructional videos do is 1 inch shorter than the other. Now I'm right-handed, so I like to have the longer side on my right-hand side. So what I'm going to do is cross the short end over my chest like this. I'm going to cross the long end over that, and then I'm going to bring the long end, the end, up through the little V that I just made on my neck. Make sure it stays straight, and then you tighten it on your neck. Now the next portion I'm going to do, I'm actually going to make a bunny ear, so like you learned in grade school to tie your shoe, same concept. So I'm going to make a bunny ear. I'm going to kind of fold this portion in half. I'm going to grab it with my thumb back here. Then I'm going to turn it to my left side. My thumb's still back there. That's where the hole's going to be, and that's where you shove the other portion of the bow tie through. So go over, and then right where my thumb was, I can feel it in the hole there. I'm only going to shove the other half in to make the second bunny ear. So then from here, you kind of have this weird looking knot.